Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me share you how to cancel UPI Autopay in Supermoney application. So if you set any UPI mandate like automatic repayments every month using Supermoney application means. So now let's see how to cancel that. So firstly in your Supermoney application, now just click on this menu option. Here it is. Just go down. Now here click on UPI options. Now here is the autopay. Now click on approved. Just click on that which you want to cancel. Now here click on cancel option, or if you want to temporarily pause that upcoming payments for that subscription means you can just click on pause option, or you can just click on cancel if you permanently want to cancel that subscription. Just click on cancel and click on cancel. Yes. Enter your 6-digit UPI pin. So now that's it. Now the auto pay cancelled on your Supermoney UPI application.